Hi Selena, what you doing?
Riding a bike.
Riding a bike? Why are we doing that?
Because you forced me to do this instead of taking the train, which I actually like the bike better, so...
That may or may not be true, but we're here at Xel-há, and it's just Selena and I today, so we're gonna have some fun. Water! Here, let me get you going through it. Are you still standing by your statement of the bikes were a good choice?
Yes.
Oh gosh.
I enjoyed the bikes and the iguanas. We almost ran into a couple. That was pretty fun.
Excuse me, bird. Alright, that water slide in the background, how'd you like it?
It was really fun. It got fast towards the end, which was really nice. It hurt my back a little because it's really like, which is unexpected. You would think after the third circle it would be more fun, but and then towards the end it got super fast and just jolted you with a pound of salt water in your mouth.
Yeah, did you like
blindness.
the saltwater cleanse?
No, it's I don't recommend it.
Yeah, I think I almost threw up from that.
Same.
On to possibly my favorite attraction today. Food.
Fast food. Hamburgers on your mind. Fast food.
As you can see, we both went with a very traditional Mexican dish, the hot dog.
What do you think? Looks good.
Your swirl versus my swirl. Who wins? Well, our original goal was to eat our ice cream in a hammock. Well, I'm out of ice cream. Hammocks were too far away, so we've sort of accomplished that goal.
Best restaurant so far. All American food.
What did you want to tell me?
Well, I'll have to admit, you finally got me in the hammock, and it was probably hands down the best part about today.
Agreed. How'd you feel about Xel-há today?
It was a lot of fun. I think the dolphins were probably my favorite part.
Just watching the dolphins?
Yes. We came back exhausted with another gift. Will it give us food poisoning? Let's find out. It smells really sweet, like a caramel almost. And it's like a wafer cookie. That's exactly what it is. Caramel on a wafer cookie. The first one I've liked.
Congratulations.